Hello everyone, my name is Apostolos. I study informatics at the University of Piraeus in Greece, and in this presentation I'll give a brief overview of the FRBStats platform. So to begin with, in case you're not super familiar with fast radio bursts, they are highly energetic, short duration bursts of electromagnetic radiation that have been detected in radio wavelengths. And based on their high dispersion measure, we can conclude that they are extragalactic. Of course, with one exception, with one recent observation of a galactic magnetar that we observed recently. Some FRBs have been observed to repeat, and only two have actually shown a periodicity. As of today, nearly 800 FRBs have been detected by telescopes all over the world. Of course, each burst has unique properties associated with it, such as the peak frequency, the pulse profile characteristics, including secondary subbursts, polarization properties, and many more. Now, one of the biggest issues surrounding these mysterious objects is their origin is essentially unknown. And although many emission mechanism models have been proposed to explain the observed events, collecting parametric data from every single FRB remains a significant challenge. And this is actually where FRBStats jumps in. So FRBStats is an easy-to-use platform enabling visualization of a variety of FRB properties, such as the flux density, burst width, fluence, detection SNR, and many more. It consists of the most accurate open-access catalog of FRBs published to date, and a statistical overview of the observed events is displayed for easy access. And of course, it's actively updated and maintained. One of the key features of the FRBStats platform is the capability of directly plotting the distribution of fast radio bursts as a function of some parameters of interest. And this is obviously extremely useful for getting a glimpse into the radiating characteristics of these enigmatic objects. There is also a dedicated repeaters page presenting the association of bursts with repeating FRBs, along with their time series activity, and lastly, the platform hosts an API for the retrieval of fundamental FRB parameters for all sorts of rapid automation applications. So you can visit FRBStats at hertexperiment.org/FRBstats, click around and interact with the platform in any way you like. As mentioned earlier, there is a convenient API that the platform supports, which allows you to directly retrieve fundamental FRB data with only a simple GET request. And the response is a simple JSON formatted text response for convenient data manipulation in any programming language of your choice. Lastly, here is a very simple example plot obtained with the FRBStats platform. So you can just go to the platform right now, click on plots, and plot whatever distribution you wish with whatever parameters you like, depending on what you wish to visualize. Here on the left, we've got the flux width distribution of fast radio bursts. So this is a simple example plot showing three parameters actually: the flux density, the burst width, and the dispersion measure of the burst. And on the right, we have the collection of bursts detected in the sky in galactic coordinates. So you can imagine you can plot whatever parametric distribution you wish beyond the flux density and burst width. For example, you can plot the fluence, you can plot the galactic latitude, you can plot the dispersion measure, the rate ascension, declination. You can plot pretty much any fundamental parameter that you wish to look into. So it's a very versatile platform, and you can access it directly from your web browser. And with that, I'd like to thank you all for your attention. And if you wish to contribute to the project on GitHub, you're more than welcome to. Thanks a lot.